Wow. That fucking high water's on now. Well, that's not good. You should probably let me go in the middle. I feel so little. I don't have any mirrors. Just realized that. I'll just go a little ways and turn around. The speedometer was like turbo kicked in. This isn't running 100% for show.
I can't believe you rode it here. Man, we got some balls. Runs good.
Needs to be ran.
It runs good though?
It's a little doggy. It seems like it's getting better as I ride it though.
Gotta get the water out of the headlight. I forgot about that. And out of the headlight.
Needs a little work.
It's a lot of work, but it runs and rides. Holy shit, man. I can't believe you rode it over.
I was like, ah, fuck it. I'm like, oh man, I got no mirrors either. Take it for a ride, Chris.
Might break.
No. You just got to give it a little gas when you start it. It's a little boggy right now.
Well, the throttle sticks, so
It does?
well, you can feel it.
Oh, like, yeah, it won't snap back. Ah.
I'm a biker, dude. I got a tat.
It hurts a lot, so I'm trying not to put anything up against it.
That's pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good though. Keeping it black and white or whatever color it is.
Yeah, black and gray.
It's gonna keep that red outline on it.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, you're funny.
Would you please put some pants on for God's sake?
You hear him ripping it?
I did too.
You probably liked it.
Oh, I did. I revved the shit out of it. Look at him.
Oh, yeah, I think it's fucking slow. Look here.
I was going down the road and it let go and it went.
How fast were you moving?
I think 55. Ooh, look at that tire.
I told you I had a big slice on this side.
Say it, Chris. It's all right.
Damn lucky.
Oh, wild hog, yeah. I thought you meant like boss hog, which was.
That's what it made me think of.
Yeah, how's this sound? Bob, Bob.
Yeah, need mirrors too.
What are the ones from the Hawk?
You think they look all right? Or should I get the round one? I think, yeah, maybe.
They might look alright.
So yeah. I should have checked my gas, dumbass. I don't know if I got enough gas to make it. I don't know, it's breaking up a little. We'll try. I was watching your guy down there.